I have worked as an Oracle developer for around 10 years. So I know the SQL.
So overall, what is the feedback can I get from you on the training videos? And because initially I felt you were a bit like apprehensive whether to take it, will it be useful or not, whether the
No, it was useful, ma'am. I'm satisfied. On a scale of 10, I think I would be giving it 8 points.
Okay,
8.5. So it was a very good training and very simple. Your lecture was also very loud and clear. And so I was quite satisfied with the training. At the end, I was quite satisfied. Things I explained very clearly, and I didn't have much of the issue.
Have you finished the videos?
Yeah, ma'am. I have finished the videos and also the slides also.
Okay.
And the materials are very good. Means I have understood most of the part, around 80%.
So have you gone through everything? Weight events, AWR, ADDM, everything?
Yeah, everything.
PDF material, I remember beginning you were asking how many pages each. So you are asking, does it have 1,000 pages, something like that. So are you happy with that PDF content?
Very much happy, ma'am. The PDF contents are very simple and explained up to mark, and the diagrams also very clear. So graphing was not a difficult thing in this. And
so quizzes, do you find interesting?
Quizzes are interesting, ma'am.
It's just for recap, just a recap. Yeah, ADDM, AWR report analysis, are you able to grasp easily?
Yeah, ma'am, very easily. But it's a lengthy syllabus, right?
Obviously, because tuning is such a vast topic. Even we try to fit in, because people we get from various backgrounds, ETL, developer, DBAs. So whatever you have given, can I take that as your feedback?
Yeah, ma'am, sure.
Yeah. The course which we have designed is based on the project needs and the learners' feedback. So it's more of catering to learners' needs, okay? So based on my experience and what I've feedback given, the idea is once you cover 60% of problems, you should be ready to start working on it. 60%. I'm not boasting 100%. Okay, so core parts we have taken. We try to give more information so that you will gain confidence and start working on small tuning assignments and thereby a bigger problems.
This was required for my job only, ma'am. So I'm happy with it.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for your feedback also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay.